Hello and welcome to the Math for Fun, and in this video I'm going to show you how do you solve quadratic equation by completing the square. How do we do that? Let's consider the equation 5k squared equals to 60 minus 20k. First of all, let's try to take all terms containing the variables to one side and the constant term to the other side. How do we do that? Since we have minus 20k on the right side, we add plus 20k on each side. What do we get? We get 5k squared plus 20k, and let's leave a space here because we need it in the next step. We write equal 60, and then look at the number multiplied by k squared. Since we don't have 1, we divide by this number the whole equation. So what do? We divide by 5 the whole equation. What do we get? We get 5k squared over 5, which is k squared, plus 20k over 5, which is 4k, and here we have 60, we divided by 5, we get 12. Now the equation is k squared plus 4k equals to 12. The step here is very important. What do? We take the coefficient of k, which is 4, and we divide it by 2, and we make square, and look what we do now. We add it on each side of the equation, like it becomes k squared plus 4k plus 2 squared on this side, and plus 2 squared on the right side. Now, on the left side, we have k squared plus 4k plus 2 squared, which is the binomial square, k plus 2. So we can write it as k plus 2 squared now. On the right side, what do we have? We have 12 plus 2 squared, which is 16. And now, to solve this equation, we need to remove the square here. To remove that, we do radical on each side. So we can write k plus 2 is equal to plus or minus radical 16. How much is radical 16? It's 4. So now it becomes plus or minus 4. And then we solve it normally with both cases. K plus 2 equals to 4 or k plus 2 equals to minus 4. Now when k plus 2 equals to 4, we add minus 2 on each side. So it becomes k equals to 4 minus 2, which is 2. And the other case, we have k plus 2 equal to minus 4. So we do minus 2 on each side. So we get k equals to minus 4 minus 2, which is minus 6. And that's completing the square. Is that easy? I hope so. Remember the important steps in this process. First of all, we have to put the variables on one side and the constant term on the other side. Second step, we have to look at the coefficient of k squared. If it's not 1, so we have to divide the whole equation by that number. And then we look at the coefficient of k, we divide it by 2, we make it square, and we add it on each side of the equation, and then we solve the equation we got normally. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and share, and welcome to Math for Fun, and bye for now.